Dr. Ravi Singh, Wagyu Ka Khalsa Wagyu Fateh, Sat Sri Akal, Assalamu Alaikum, Barman, God bless everybody. आज डॉक्टर रविंदर सिंह दे डॉक्टर रवि सिंह दे विचार की है कि साढ़े बहुत अच्छे वकील ते साढ़े आईटी कंसल्टेंट नाल साढ़े बैठे ने जिथे इसी नहीं करते जिथे इसी नहीं सोचते कि कोई रंग रूप ना रेख ना वेख्या. We don't look at color, caste or creed. We are all humans in this world. First of all, for the English, the Christians are my friends who are English and, Christian, Catholic. Happy Christmas to you. But to the whole world, I'll say Happy New Year, which is a very important, auspicious occasion, which is important not just to me, not just to my religion, but to the whole worldwide, the whole universe, all the stars, whoever may remain on that. There's many Plutos, there's many Uranuses.
We're all made of stars.
Yes, we're all stars. Every human is a star because God made us. We are here. We have to ensure that we look after each other. My duty as a human being, मेरी जो मकसद है कि इंसानां नूं उन्हां दी देखभाल करनी. आज तुहाडे कोल पैसे ने तो तुसीं देवो, कल तुहाडे कोल नहीं पैसे होंगे तो कल तुसीं देवोगे. Give and take. Because when you're in difficulty, you will succeed or triumph. Because when you go to the next world, it would be wondrous. One good deed will confirm that you are a good person. Because you don't want to be on the scale of your good deeds and bad deeds. Because we do more bad deeds than we do good deeds in this world. So it's not worth it. So I'd like to wish everybody a Happy New Year. And 2020 has been a very difficult year for the whole worldwide globalization. That's why A1 Global is here to help, and they are there to bring the latest news in order to establish that what we can do, not what we should do, what we can do. And there's some simple points. Keep a mask on when you're in, keep your social distancing, and just stay at home. कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी कि तुसी अपने घर च रहना. मैं सारे नू एक बड़ी वड्डी गल दस रहा कि मैं रिसर्च की है कोविड-19 च. कोविड-19 च कोविड 20 हो गया, ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤੀ COVID-20 ਦੀ with mutation of the COVID-19. ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਸੁੱਖ ਨਾਲ I've done a lot of chemistry. ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਕੀ ਕਹਿਣਾ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਲੋਕੀ ਪਾਗਲ ਨਾ ਹੋ ਜਾਣ ਤੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਪਾਗਲ ਨਾ ਸਮਝਣ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਪਾਗਲ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਗੇ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਮਝ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਕਿ ਅਗਲੇ ਦਾ ਕੀ ਵਾਸਤਾ ਪਏਗਾ ਕੀ ਵਾਸਤਾ ਪਏਗਾ just do what you need to do in order to ਬਚੋ ਤੇ ਬਚਾਓ be safe give safety to others in English. And it's very important that we keep people safe and keep your own safety as well. And this is a very important dialogue. I love that we all are human beings and humanity is of the same beings. We're all Homo sapiens. And Homo sapiens, how can you tell and say, oh, the Australopithecus, they are, Homo sapiens, they are many, many different species. But at the end of the day, we're all Homo sapiens. Not Asian, not English, not Chinese, not black. We're all humans. This is humanity. And this new year has to bring upon a new era because we don't want further COVIDs. 2020, those are vichars. 2020 has been a very difficult year for many people. Many people have lost their lives. Many people lost their loved ones. ਸਾਰੇ ਕਈ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਈ ਗੁਜ਼ਰ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਕਈ ਨੂੰ ਫੈਮਲੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਸਾਲ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਰੱਖੋ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਲੰਘ ਗਿਆ ਤੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਚਲੋ ਤੇ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਅੱਲਾ ਕਰੇ ਭਗਵਾਨ करे राम करे कि इसी 2021 च साडा हैप्पी न्यू ईयर होवे ते साडी खुशियां प्राप्त होवन. We wish you a good new year because A1 Global TV does go globally. And I'm very proud to be part of, as a director of one of the departments within A1 Global. But I just speak from my heart and through God, through Waheguru Allah, and God. And it's very important that this message gets through to people. The way you face masks, don't have too much social gathering, more than 6 people.